Rich Egusi Soup. How rich is it? Passing the soup. So now tell me, sweetie, eat or pass?
Hi, sweetie. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl, Cook with Grace Kiswe, and today I bring to you something rich, flavorful, and deeply traditional. Oh yeah, we are making this delicious egusi Uziza soup with cocoyam and periwinkle. Oh my goodness, this soup is so thick, creamy, and buzzed with flavors. You are gonna to love every spoonful. Yummy! It is made with love, packed with all your favorite Nigerian ingredients: egusi, cocoyam, Uziza leaves, smoked dried fish, and more. So make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to show you how to get this perfect taste and reach texture every single time. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because here we cook with love, we cook with joy, and we cook deliciously. Now let's get started, sweetie. Let's get cooking.
Chicken. We'll add some pepper, some seasoning cube, some onion, salt. We'll stir. Okay. I'll be adding the cow skin, okay? Yeah. Then we'll stir everything, incorporate everything. So after that, cover and light to cook for 5 minutes.
So I think this blended onion, salt. So now I'll be adding little water. Now okay.
So we'll check. More water. So, sweetie, all you need to know about the soup, I wrote them in details at the description box below. So, follow the method step by step guidelines, and you will achieve this delicious and amazing traditional soup. Okay, sweetie, everything you need to know is well detailed there in the description box below. Okay, so sweetie, don't forget to tell us where you're watching us from so that I will send you a hug in my next video. And always have this at the back of your mind that when you're cooking, make sure you cook in a clean environment because cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay. So now we put them agusi. That's good. I use my hand, okay? Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh. Sweeties, can you see the soup is sticky? I'll put some Uziza leaf. And remember, once I put my leaf, my soup is ready. It's native soup. Uziza soup to be precise. There you have it, sweetie. Our delicious, sweet, and flavorful egusi okazi soup with coconut, cocoyam, and periwinkle. Just look at the texture, the color, the aroma. Oh my goodness, it's everything your taste bud could ever ask for. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up, drop a lovely comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, okay? Because here we don't just cook food, we create love on our plates. Thank you for always watching Cook with Grace Kisui, and always remember, cooking is not just about recipe, it's about the heart you put into it together. Until next time, sweetie, keep cooking, keep smiling, and let's keep spreading love. One meal at a time. I love you all. I see you all. Mwah! Are you eating or passing?